What's up, YouTube? Do you want to make profits of $190 for a couple of minutes of work and do it over and over and over again? If so, stay with me. It's coming right up in my review of Exodus. Exodus. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
But seriously, you gotta look at the reviews, you know. This review, it's a good review. Take a look. He never bothers to look, and then he complains. I don't understand him. So the way it works basically is like this. If I like the product, I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't like it, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos on entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. That's so sweet to say. She really is a sweetheart. As well as ways of making extra money online. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. So this is something I've actually been doing myself quietly as a side gig. It really only takes a couple minutes of my time to do it, and it's super fast. It's something called domaining, and it's a very, very popular way to make money online. I actually know a couple of people who do this as their one and only source of income. It really is very easy and really does work. And you can see that Trevor is making a killing with this business, pulling in $197 over and over again. And he invests maybe like $10 in order to make it happen. Though I'm still not sure what the name Exodus is supposed to be all about.
Let my people go.
Yeah, seriously. Anyhow. But I want to tell you about my truly insane bonus, because I'm sitting here recording this video and I'm saying to myself, do I really want to be doing this? And the answer is yes, because I want to give you genuine value, and nobody else is going to do this for you. So let me explain. I bought myself a brand new domain name just this morning, and I'm going to be setting up over the weekend a brand new membership site. It'll be very simple. It's not going to have a lot of stuff in it. But basically, inside the membership site, you're going to be able to sign up for a mailing list. And Monday through Friday, I'm going to be visiting GoDaddy auctions and picking out some gems from the auctions. Now, this is something that Trevor doesn't do. This is something that I personally do, because basically you can get domain names that already have traffic coming to them, and you can get domain names that are really, really good domain names that you might not see if you just went to search for something that is brand new. And when you sell one with traffic, you actually can usually make more money than one that has no traffic. So I'm going to put together a list of 10 domain names in various niches. And around 5 p.m. Eastern time every single day, I'm going to send you the list. You do have to pay for registration, but typically the cost of registration is usually about $10 or so, and the domains will cost you as little as $5 for to purchase the right to it. And then you pay like $10 or something for the registration. It's usually pretty cheap. Basically, all you do is look through the list, find a domain you like, and then use Trevor's training to flip it for a nice profit. And as to these domains will have actual traffic coming to them already, and they're going to be good quality domains. I've already personally picked up 2 domains. Well, I picked up more than 2 domains, but 2 domains that I'm keeping for myself. I'm using them for future launches. One of them is called wakeupwithmoney.com. The other one is short for the number 4cash.com. Both those are going to be future launches from me. I'm personally using them, and I paid like $15, including registration for those each for those domain names. Super, super cheap. Amazing bargain value. The service is going to cost $47 per month, but if you buy Exodus through my link, I'm going to give you 2 weeks completely for free.
Mind blown.
Wait, it gets better. Let me just explain to you what this means, by the way. Let's say you just pick up one domain name per day for the 2 weeks that you're getting my service for free. And let's say you don't make $190 profit like Trevor is doing. Let's say you make only like $50 profit on average. Okay. After 10 days of doing this consistently, you're at $500 profit for a $12 product. And that's absolutely insane, but it gets better. If you pick up any upgrade throughout the funnel, even one of the downsells, I will throw in another 2 weeks. If you pick up the entire funnel, I'm going to throw in 3 full months of my service. Okay, 3 full months for you to profit like gangbusters. You won't have to spend anything. All you do is follow the trading and use my guide. You literally cannot miss. I mean, like as long as you do what you need to do, you're going to be making money. It's that simple. Okay. Now, also, if you pick up the full funnel, I'm going to throw in 1 month of direct access to this thing, my cell phone. You're going to be able to leave me messages. We're using an app called Voxer. You're going to leave me messages here, and I will respond to you. We can have real-time conversations, basically, where you talk to me, I talk to you, back and forth. It's like a walkie-talkie kind of thing. You're going to have a full month of access to this thing, okay, to me, personally guiding you, helping you with whatever you need in your business. I mean, that's like that's really, really insane. Okay, now you can say it.
Mind's blown. You're welcome.
Thank you, Homer. That's exactly how I feel. But I'm also I'm not even done yet. I'm also going to give you my over-the-shoulder video showing you how I actually pick winning domains on GoDaddy. And I'm going to give you my brand new guide to e-commerce. Hasn't been released yet. You're going to get it first. Plus, I'm going to give you my guide to staying focused. You're going to get all for a lousy $12.
What?
Yeah, I'm kind of crazy to be giving away so much value, but I genuinely want to help people. I genuinely want to help you. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and grab this before I come to my senses.